This video, I'm going to teach you how to remove header in Mailchimp. So in order to do that, first head over to their website, which is mailchimp.com. Into this part, what you can do is you can head over and then sign up or log in. You can click onto this login option if you already have an account, but if you do not have one yet, you can head over and click onto this sign up option right here in order to successfully sign up for an account on Mailchimp. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to see in here your homepage. So this is my homepage right here. Now, for this case, let's head over right here to my campaigns. I already created one, which is this one. I can now edit it. Now, if you're a newly signed up account, you can just create your own by clicking onto this create button that we can see right here. Now, this is what my campaign looks like. I have in here this untitled. We have the from, the to, subject, send time, and content. So let's expand the content right here by clicking onto this edit design option. Now into this, we can see in here this, which is our actual header. So you can also add in here some logo, some text, and the likes. So you can edit this parts right here. You can click onto this and you can delete this if you would want. Essentially, removing this particular block means removing your actual header. In this case, you can actually edit it to your liking. You can add some more content blocks if you want, as well as blank layouts, pre-built layouts, and likes. You can also talk about your brand. For example, we have in here a logo. You can add some more text right here, or image, into this particular part if you would want to. Once you're done, you can send a test email or save and exit this in order to save particular design that you have done. So that's how you remove header in Mailchimp. I hope this video helped you out.